2006 Forest River Charleston for sale in Tucson, Arizona 85749. Spread your wings and fly with this 2006 Forest River Charleston. This Class A motorhome is 40 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong powered cat pusher diesel engine mated with an Allison automatic transmission that offers an impressive 330 horsepower. This RV comes equipped with 4 slide-outs, 2 awnings, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig comes with 70,000 miles, so you can rest assured that this 2006 Forest River Charleston will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2006 Forest River Charleston is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove, convection microwave, fridge/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette with chair seating, new wood floors and carpet, 3 new LED TVs, surround sound, DVD/CD/stereo and motion satellite dish, outside entertainment center, cable-ready, new couches with hide-a-bed chairs, stand-up shower, washer/dryer included, outside shower, master queen-size bed, storage dresser, basement storage, furnace, power boost antenna, true steer for steering, power mirror, fog lights, hitch tow package, cruise control, smoke detector, 7K cab generator, new front tires, new shocks, Meth water injection and so much more. This 2006 Forest River Charleston is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness because this 2006 Forest River Charleston is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2006 Forest River Charleston.